Hello beautiful people, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be making chicken shashlik. For this we need boneless chicken, and for marination we need a pinch of salt, black pepper, half teaspoon of red chili powder, a teaspoon of soy sauce, and then we need a teaspoon of lemon juice, and lastly we need a teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Now we will mix all the ingredients together properly and then marinate this for 30 minutes. Here I have diced capsicum, an onion, a tomato and boiled potatoes. এখন ভেজিটেবলগুলোকে আমরা ম্যারিনেট করব with salt, lemon juice, half teaspoon of black pepper and lastly with the chili flakes. Now I'll mix the spices with the vegetables properly. In the meantime, I'll add a tablespoon of vegetable oil in the chicken. Before adding the vegetables and the chicken in the sticks, I have soaked the sticks for 5 minutes in plain water. Now I'll stack the veggies and the chicken one by one in the stick. So here's the final look after stacking all the vegetables and the chicken in the stick. You can also add other vegetables according to your preference, but I prefer these veggies with the chicken. Here I have brushed oil in the pan to cook the shashliks. So here's the final result of our chicken shashlik with healthy veggies. Many people can make this in their own ways, but I have tried to show you the most easiest way to make chicken shashlik. For more amazing videos, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video and share with your loved ones. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.